Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 23rd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Wednesday evening. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the cold front stretching from portions of the southeast Canada back into portions of Illinois. Then we got another storm system moving in portions of North and South Dakota, and also toward Montana and also Wyoming region as well. Here goes the remnants of Oscar, continue to push on off to the north and east. We have a cluster of showers and storms stretching across the MDR region from South America all the way back over toward Africa. A lot of disorganized showers and storms developing in that region. Also, we're beginning to see a little bit of activity try to fire up in the Caribbean Sea. Something we're going to have to continue to monitor, because there is a chance of something possibly developing in the Caribbean Sea. Still a determination as soon as it forms, which way will it go? Still some question marks on that. Some wants to maybe take it into the Gulf of Mexico. Some wants to move it across Cuba, move it up toward the Florida, South Florida, and then maybe up into the Carolinas, and maybe one just takes it out like the way Oscar is moving here on out into the Atlantic. So there's several possibilities the system can take. So something we're going to have to continue to monitor. But right now, in the short term, no tropical development is expected over the next 7 days. But like I said, that could change and later on down the road. So alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, let's move on to the weather forecast charts. Here is your forecast for your Thursday. As you can see, we got a little bit of shower activity up here around Rhode Island, also in the coastal waters. Also, we have a cold front stretching all the way back into that region as well. And also some showers and storms stretching from Minnesota all the way to Wisconsin, also to Michigan, through Iowa, down to Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Indiana, portion of northern Arkansas, and northeastern areas of Oklahoma. We have some mixed precipitation over in portion of Montana, to Wyoming, and portion of Idaho, and a little bit of shower activity in northwestern Washington State. Elsewhere, expect dry weather to continue across much of the U.S., except a little bit of shower and storm activity across South Florida and the Florida Keys. All of this activity for your Thursday, October 24th. Alright, here's your Friday forecast. You can see we got showers, maybe some thunderstorms as well from around the Great Lakes, stretching toward portions of southeast Canada, portion of New York State, to Pennsylvania, to West Virginia, to Kentucky, also over toward Michigan and Wisconsin. Thunderstorms and showers from Illinois to Missouri to Indiana to Kentucky. Also, we have some showers and storms across East Florida, also across southeast Texas and the Gulf of Mexico. More shower activity across Washington, Oregon State, across northwestern California and the Pacific Ocean, and a little bit of mixed precipitation up in Washington State. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of the area's weather for the remainder of the forecast period. This is for your Friday, October 25th. Alright, let's move on to the current watches morning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some special weather statements up here around the Boston, down to Connecticut, portion of New York State, Pennsylvania, down into Washington D.C., down to Virginia. Red flag warnings there as well along the coastal areas. Also across northeast Florida, some hydro issues and flood watches in effect there as well. The river flood warnings still continue across central and south Florida. Also, we have some areas of freeze watches in effect for portion of Colorado. Wind advisories over southern Indiana, western Nevada. We have some frost advisories for northwestern California. Freeze warnings there as well, and stretching in portions of Oregon and one county there in portions of Washington State. Some frost advisories there also. Small craft advisory stretching from portion of Washington State to southern California. And then again, a little bit over here in east side of Florida, and then from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way up to Maine as well. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Got some freeze and spray warning, small craft advisory, storm warning around the Alaska area as well. Alright, here across the nation. Should be loading up here. Alright, you can see we got showers and storms stretching from southeast Canada down to Ottawa, Canada, also in the port of New York State. east of Toronto, Canada, through portions of Pennsylvania, stretching into northern Kentucky. This is ahead of a cold front moving to the east. But all of this activity should slowly kind of diminish as it moves eastbound. We have some more activity over portions of Montana, Idaho, and also Oregon State, northwest Nevada, northeast California, a little bit over towards Seattle, Washington, and also some along the east coast of the U.S., now stretching down toward Miami, and just north of Havana, Cuba, a little bit in northern Mexico, and western areas of Texas. Elsewhere, it looks pretty quiet at this time. Alright, let's look. This is for day 2. As you can see, we got general thunderstorm from Minneapolis over toward Fort Wayne, down towards Jefferson City to Springfield to Wichita. Here is that marginal risk still remains in effect from Kansas City up to Omaha to Delmont, Iowa region. The tornado probability is less than 2% all area. Damaging winds less than 5% all areas. This here is just mainly a large hail potential, and this is only 5% for Delmont to Kansas to Hannibal over to Omaha area for 5% risk for large hail. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care.